Hey everybody, this is Super Dave with Infotainment.com. We have the stick-on SecuriCode that we're going to be putting on the 21 to 2024 Ford Bronco. This is only for the 21 to 24s. We will have another option for the 25s and up. So this kit comes with a alcohol prep wipe. So we're just going to go ahead and take that out and we're going to wipe down the applique here so that way it has a clean surface to stick to. And we're going to use the SecuriCode card that comes with it that has the number for your SecuriCode as a level. And we're just going to peel the sticker off the back. And you want the numbers going 1 through 9 from top to bottom. Stick it on. And that's it for the installation. Now we just have to run our OBD Genie programmer and of course wipe this so the applique looks like it did before. All right, so we just want to turn the vehicle on into the accessory position. And then we're going to plug in our OBD Genie programmer and wait for it to go to the green light to indicate the programming is completed. All right, now that we have a green light, we can unplug the OBD Genie programmer. So there's a card that's included with this. Our code is 91060. These other numbers here would be used going to the dealer so that way they can program the feature to your BCM. Fortunately, OBD Genie will program these specific codes into the Genie that you receive so that way you don't have to go to the dealer. Every Genie is going to be unique. Every code that you receive on the card is going to be unique. This is the factory code. You can add another code, but you can only have a maximum of 2 codes, the factory and a custom. And we're going to go ahead and demonstrate now, 91060. All right, that unlocked, and then we go to lock it. Same with the others. Those 2 buttons at once. 7-8 and 9-0. And one more. And that's how you use the stick-on SecuriCode keypad.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed that upgrade just as much as we enjoyed developing it. We were here established in 2008, and we've been helping over 100,000 customers do upgrades to their vehicle. So we carry this upgrade and so much more on our website, Infotainment.com. We service what we sell. We have a whole staff that services parts all day long. We also have in-house advisors that can advise you and help you from start to finish. We also have a compatibility guarantee. As I mentioned in the video, we will get your 17-digit VIN number to ensure that everything is programmed to the modules for a seamless installation in your exact vehicle. We also have extended warranties for those of you who would like to take advantage of that. Those of you who pulled out your old gear and you don't want it just to sit in your garage forever, we actually offer trade-in value to your old gear. So be sure to go to our website for more information on that. Last but not least, if you have a request for your vehicle, you want a factory OEM upgrade for your vehicle and you don't see it on our website, we have a product request form that our research and development department looks at every single day. So request that product and we'll get back with you with a possible solution. Thank you so much guys for watching and have a great day.